As you may have seen on the channel, we were blown away with how good the Google Pixel Watch really is. So today, I thought we'd take a look at some of the straps so you can get the most out of it. Okay, so the first of 4 straps by Elixir today is the pink soft silicone strap. The first thing that grabs you when you get this strap in your hands is the feel. Nowadays, it seems silicone straps are either hit or miss. With this strap, it has an instant soft feeling that lets you know from the first minute that it's going to be a comfortable strap. Once the strap is fitted to the Pixel Watch, it gives a new aesthetic and a really soft pleasing look. The strap fits nicely on the watch and is very easy to adjust on the fly. Now, if we quickly switch over to the black version, we can take a look at what it has to offer. The strap is again just as soft and equally as adjustable. But the black version offers something completely different. While the soft pink would not be the most ideal for a formal setting, the same could not be said for the black version. The black strap sits on the watch and wrist so nicely. It gives an overall neutral look to the watch that can be pulled off at any time. Honestly, for me personally, I always think it's worth having a couple of silicone straps around, and I can't recommend Elixir ones highly enough. Overall, while the pink strap wouldn't be my go-to colour of choice, it is a great casual strap that offers comfort and style. On the other hand, the black strap is something I do own for my other smartwatches. Before we move on, if you'd like to check out this strap or any other straps for your smartwatch, you can find the links in the description below. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. So on to the next one. Now we have the adjustable black Milane strap. When you first examine this strap, you initially feel the quality of the stainless steel in your hands. Now, one of the issues we often see with stainless steel straps is pinching and discomfort on your wrist. With this offering from Elixir, you place it on your wrist and you instantly know it's comfortable. If we look closely at the details of the strap, we can see why. Elixir have produced something that looks elegant and pretty much flawless in its design. This strap is a great all-rounder and would be perfect for both everyday use or something a little more formal. If we jump over and take a closer look at the gold version, we become more aware of just how wonderful these Milane straps are. Looking closely at the gold, we can see precise engineering. When we place the gold one on the watch, it yet again gives a brand new look and feel to the Google Pixel Watch. I've been Mark, and I'll see you all very soon.